go. We tried one on the back. This is the one we're gonna.
This damaged tab right here, we're gonna replace that whole shingle. See how it goes.
And we've done one on the back. It failed. We're gonna do one on the front here. And really, sitting here, I can tell you the front looks to be in worse condition. If you look at all the granular loss and stuff, it's just turned into like little pieces of tar paper, really. From what I understand, there was another contractor who started this, probably more of a sales company than a roofing company, and they've got jammed up somewhere here in the process. So we're gonna take over. We came here to see if we could repair them, and we are not able to without causing the exact damage or worse in the surrounding area. And then it's just so many repairs, and you'll see from the document pictures we'll send in, so many. We would end up going through 3 bundles of shingles, and we would just continue the same exact damage.
This underlayment is in terrible shape.
Yeah.
It actually doesn't go any higher than right here.
Really? The underlayment stops right there?
Yeah, that's where they ran out, apparently.
Yeah.
But even down where it is run, you can see there's breaks in the underlayment from weathering and just being old.
Waldorf. Good old Waldorf. Freaking hot, man. Definitely hottest part of the day. I can feel it coming through my shoes.
Like a waterfall.
Yeah.
When I
all the granulars. Jeez, look at that. It is. So just the act of hammering, look, it's happening all over too. Like places we're not even. Yeah, so they're just in horrible condition. Yeah, and the damage is noticeable already. So look at that. See that?
Some of these
and then these. Oh, look at these up here. So, yeah, it's bad. So really, we took one bad one and made 3. Of course, they're everywhere. If you get looking, they're just everywhere. So, all right.